So yes, my wonderful viewers, thank to all of you that have been praying for Max, praying for me. Really appreciate your prayers, guys. You know, my wife also appreciate your prayers.
Bye. Bye.
This one.
Bye. Bye.
You ready?
Bye-bye, Maxie. Bye. Bye.
Bye, have a good one.
All right, dear. See you
Take the
later.
bus?
There he goes on his bus, guys. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah.
Daddy, it smells like birthday candles.
Smell like what?
Birthday candles.
Birthday candles.
On fire. Yeah, how you unlock this door?
That door?
Yeah.
Look, this one. Come. This. It's open. I have to press it. Okay, you got it? You want to close it, Papa? Ready? Ready for school?
Oh, no.
No.
I want to get home.
You want to stay home?
No.
Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I want to be on maybe.
You want to stay home?
No. Yeah. Where am I going to go?
Play with your car.
Eat the fish.
Okay, when you come home from school, you can do that.
Daddy,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
no water go.
No water. Yeah.
No water go. Is there the name?
Yeah.
Guy, you're up a guy.
Yeah.
You know what? Daddy,
Yeah.
I don't go over go. I can't do get them all.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There are green arrows on the floor.
Green what? Arrows.
Yeah, for some reason. But I don't know what he's doing. Daddy,
Yeah.
oh, keep the fish.
The bridge. No, we can't do the bridge right now, Max. Across the bus.
We don't know when, if we go down there, we don't know when the bus will come.
Yeah, exactly. You good?
Yeah, let's go back now.
You go back.
Yeah.
Come on, Papa. Take your time, Alex. Take your time. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for school?
No.
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 Yeah.
The audio.
Good morning, guys. So, Monday morning, school time. So, Alex is gonna get dropped off, and Max gonna get put on his bus.
I know
But
that.
their thing is, they love when I take them for a little walk in the morning before they go off to school. So this is their routine, guys. Good morning. You good? What's up? Mommy, come out yet? Let me show you.
Turned off.
Hmm?
Why did it just turn off?
What? The light in the garage?
Yeah.
It's on a timer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go this
Is
way.
it going this way now?
Yeah, wait. I have to go in the front. And I go right.
Okay. Alex.
Done.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that?
It's the one.
Hmm?
The art.
Yeah.
It's the.
Yeah, they finished power wash it, yeah?
I will do the guy.
You want to help the guy?
Yeah.
Oh, they finished already first.
I will eat the gun.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Take it seriously, Daddy.
What? What's that, Alex? Take your time, Alex. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, they they love to take a little walk in the mornings before they go to school. So I make sure that I give it to them. This is something good that they're practicing. They're good?
Yeah.
Oh, the bus. You see the bus coming? Don't go across the street, Alex. Let him see the bus. Come up a little more, Alex, so you can see the bus.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. You see the bus?
We can go that way.
You need to go across the street?
Yeah.
Okay, just be careful.
There.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You saw the bus?
I'm scared of the bus.
You scared of the bus?
Daddy,
Yeah.
I will do the people for you.
Yeah.
Daddy, you saw that?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I will do the people for you.
You want to go on the big people bus?
Yeah.
What?
Daddy,
Mm. What's up, Alex? You good? You have to go back? Yeah, come on, Papa, we're going to go back. Because Alex got to go to school. Here is Mommy.
no, Mommy.
Woo! Be careful, Alex.
Bye. Bye.
You ready?
Bye-bye, Maxie. Bye.
Who's that?
Bye.
Have a good one.
All right, dear. See you
Is that the
later.
bus?
Eh?
Is that the bus?
No.
Okay.
All right, see you later.
Later.
Later. Take care, guys. The bus. You want to take another walk? Hmm?
Oh my
You
God.
can't in the car, Max, because the bus is coming.
No. I'm not gonna walk.
No, I got to close the garage first. Here he goes on his bus, guys. Yeah? Nice. Yes, another Monday morning, guys. They are off to school. Max is off to school. Alex is off to school. He loves to be on his bus. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Yeah. So the guys did a good job yesterday. They scrubbed the driveway and the sidewalk. Yep. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. So this is what it looks like before. You can see the difference after they scrub it. It was like that over there. So this is what this looks like. Yeah. Major difference. Yeah. Not bad at all. Not bad. They did a great job on the house also. Yeah. Very nice. It's beautiful. So yes, my wonderful viewers, thank to all of you that have been praying for Max, praying for me. Really appreciate your prayers, guys. You know, my wife also appreciate your prayers. Yeah. Just stepping out in the backyard for a second. Yeah. Nice. They did a superb job, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Clean it, man. Beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So thank you again for the prayers and the well wishes for my son, for me also. We the Robinson family appreciate it. My wife appreciate it also. You know, thank you again. I really appreciate it, guys. All right. So guys, it's time to get my day started. Got to take my medications right now. Still on a bunch of medications, some of them which make me dizzy and all of that stuff. So a couple more, gonna be on them for a couple more weeks. See how that work out. To see I lose weight, guys. I think I lost like 20 pounds or 50 pounds being in the hospital. Hopefully I don't gain it back, you know, but let's see how that work out. Yeah. So much love, much respect, guys. Thank you again. Until I see you on the next journey, guys, you have yourself a blessed one. From Manix Robinson. Bye-bye.